Hello, my wonderful physics students. Welcome to Remote Learning Week 8. And let's talk about the last few things that need to be accomplished for this quarter. You made it. Well done. And let's talk about the end of the quarter and what is expected. Okay? So first, when you head to Canvas, what I want you to notice is that we have the 11th through the 13th. The last day for new material is the 13th of May. And so I am just asking for an extra credit assignment. So if you have some extra time and you want to boost up your grade, then this would be a good option for you, but it's not required. Okay. The big thing, some of us have still not completed our Unit 9 quiz, and it's very important that we get that done before the end of the quarter. So let's look at this assignment very quickly. So when you look at the assignment, first thing I want you to notice is there's 3 links here. These links are all exactly the same. They all go to the assignment. It's just some computers struggle opening up one link and then it works well for another link. So we have a PDF version, we have a link to the Google Doc, or this goes straight to the Google Doc as well. Okay, so you'll click on one of those. Now, if you're using the Google Doc and you want to work within that document, what you need to do is click on File and then Make a Copy, and that will give you a copy that you can edit. Okay, it's not going to give you a copy you can edit, so you'll need to go to File, Make a Copy. All right, so this assignment is an astronomy assignment, and it's showing you a tool that you can use. The really fun and cool thing about astronomy is it's something that you can do from home, and if you're interested, you can do it over the summer. So I just wanted to give you some ideas and tools of things that you could be using over the summer if you want to. Okay, so you're going to pick a constellation, you're going to go to this website, and then you're going to set the time and date, and I chose the graduation date and at midnight, and then you're going to just be doing some work on that constellation. Okay? And so if you get this assignment turned in, it's going to be assignment extra credit. So if you missed an assignment, or if you scored poorly on an assignment, this could be an option to help you with that. All right, so as far as what needs to be accomplished this week, that's where it's at. But let's talk about the end of the quarter. Okay, so the last day for new material for seniors was this last Friday. Okay, so that means seniors, you still need to get in this Unit 9 quiz. Okay, do not forget about that. Then the last day for new material for anyone else is the 13th. Grades are going to be posted on the 18th. Okay, and so that gives you a few days. So the 18th is next Monday. That gives you a few days to turn in any missing work, or to redo assignments that you scored poorly on, or to do test corrections or retake quizzes. We have this extra time to get those items done, and your grades will be posted on the 18th. Now, if you have not done so, get this form filled out. And let's talk about your grade. You're going to earn a letter grade, and it's either going to be an A, a B, a C, and if your percentage is lower than a C, if you're lower than 70%, then you're going to get a pass, but if you're lower than 11%, then you get a no credit. Okay? This form tells me that let's say you earn a B or a C, then you can change that to a pass if you want to. A pass gives you credit for the course, but it doesn't lower or increase your overall GPA. So here's my bit of advice for you. If your letter grade for this class increases your overall GPA, I would suggest keeping it. So like if you get the A, then keep the A. Or if you get a B and that raises your overall GPA, then keep the B. But if you get a C and that would lower your GPA, then I would suggest filling out this form and changing it to a pass instead, so it doesn't lower your GPA. So you'll tell me your name, email, and then it goes into detail here. And so everyone please get this form filled out so that you don't have to do it last minute. You can say, well, if I have the A, then I want to keep the A. But if it turns out I score a B, then I want it to be changed to a pass. And if I get a C, then I want that changed to a pass. Okay. So there is this range of percentage from like 70% to 11% that the only grade that will be given is the pass. And then anything less than 11% is a no credit. So it's not an F, it doesn't hurt your GPA, but you don't get credit for the course. So in order to get credit for the last quarter of physics, you would have to redo a quarter of physics. Okay? All right, so last day for new work that you're responsible for is the 13th. Grades are going to be posted on the 18th, and then graduation is the 21st. And they'll be broadcasting that graduation that we walked through and filmed the other week. All right, guys, if you have any questions at all, please email me, let me know. I'll be quick to respond to you. Stay on top of your grades. As far as I'm aware, grades are up to date. So if something's not quite right on the grade book, let me know soon. Okay? All right, guys. I will talk to you all next week.